When eggplant it steams, it completely transforms into this silky texture, and it's a fantastic carrier of flavour. So I'm going to do a steamed eggplant salad with a black vinegar dressing. I'm going to do it in my air fryer, which not only steams, it grills, and it of course air fries too. So I've got it on the steam function, and I've placed my eggplant into the basket. Now it's quite a large capacity basket, so I've got 3 large eggplants that I've cubed. In the meantime, we can get our dressing together. So in a small bowl, I'll add some light soy sauce, about a tablespoon or so. To that, some black vinegar. Now, Chinese black vinegar you can get from all your supermarkets now. It has a really nice deep flavour to it. If you can't find Chinese black vinegar, you can absolutely use balsamic vinegar. Some caster sugar. And I've got a little bit of a chili condiment here. You could also just use some chili oil. I love this one because it's got speckles of chili through it. It's got peanuts through it too, so it's a bit crunchy. So we'll add some of the condiment there and that oil. You can add as much or as little as you like depending on how hot you want your dressing. So that's the dressing ready to go. Give that a really good mix until all the sugar is dissolved. The last thing I want to add to that is some ginger, a good hit of ginger. So when you taste this dressing by itself, it should be quite zingy, quite intense. But when it's paired with the mellow eggplant, it really shows off then. So about a teaspoon of this finely grated ginger. Mix that in, and then we'll pop that to one side. To garnish the eggplant salad, 1 long red chilli. I'm just going to finely slice it into rounds, leaving the seeds in. If you want it milder, again, just take the seeds out. I just love that pop of red colour. And I'll just use about half of this. We'll place that to one side. And then 4 or 5 spring onions. I'm just going to gather them together and just with a really sharp knife, cut them on an angle, just for presentation. I love the spring onions because they've got quite a mild flavour to them. Okay, the eggplant has nearly finished steaming, so now to prepare our prawn crackers. These you can get from all good Asian grocers. I've even seen them in supermarkets now. And I'm just going to line them up on a piece of baking paper. And usually you would deep fry these, but we want a bit of a healthier option. So what I'm doing is just getting a little bit of oil spray, and I'm going to spray them, and then we're going to air fry them. So we're going to change the function to air fry. But before we do that, we're going to take out our eggplant. Look how soft and tender it becomes after steaming for that 30 minutes. Just fantastic. So we're going to remove them, and then I'll just clear out the water from the basket, and then I'm going to air fry the prawn crackers. I can hear those little prawn crackers bouncing around in the air fryer, which means they're crispy and they're ready. So let's turn this off. Let's have a look. Wow, how fantastic are those results. So to plate this up, a nice generous mound of the eggplant into a bowl. This is still warm. I love to serve this salad warm. In fact, if you like, you could serve this as a warm salad and serve it with rice to bulk it out. So let's grab this delicious chili and black vinegar dressing and generously coat the eggplant in it. Oh, look at that. You know this is going to be good. And to finish it off, some spring onions over the top and that chili. See that pop of colour? And I like to just take these prawn crackers and just pop them around the side, and that you have a beautiful contrast in textures. Silky smooth eggplant, crispy prawn crackers. And what I like to do is grab a prawn cracker and a little of that eggplant, just dip it in that dressing. Now that is an awesome combination.